I just turned 31 and I've just been thinking about a lot about my feelings, my life, my decisions, and where I am versus where I thought I would be. If you want a different life for yourself, you actually have to build it by yourself. And I honestly feel like I'm starting over, not from scratch, but from experience. At 31, I thought I would have had everything figured out, but instead, I'm rebuilding my discipline, rebuilding my body, rebuilding finances, rebuilding myself.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be Nancy. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joy and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the constant support. So the most exciting thing that's been happening in my life right now is the gym. The gym has brought so much confidence in me, so much joy, so much peace. It's brought so much goodness in me that I have lost. And the reason why I started going to the gym is because I was gaining a lot of weight. Oh my goodness, I was gaining so much weight, and I just felt like at 31 I don't want to be like this big. I was just like, absolutely not. I feel like I'm still young, so I don't want to accept, like, just let myself go and just not do anything about it. And you know, I am getting older, so I definitely want to be healthier. So I was just like, you know, one day I just decided, I was with my brother that day, we were running some errands, and I was just like, you know, I just need you to go with me to the gym. I want to just go ask. I just want to go inquire about how this gym works and all of that. And literally once I walked in there and the sales manager was explaining to me how it works, how everything is there, my brother was like, yeah, I think you should go for it. And I was like, yeah, absolutely, I think I should too. And that's just how it started, and I never looked back ever since. But it's still the beginning. I think it's like my 4th week at the gym, so I'm planning to do this honestly for the rest of my life. I don't want to stop like gymming. It really brings so much discipline in my life, and which is also something that I'm trying to work on. I am not disciplined in most aspects of my life, and so I feel like going to the gym brings that discipline out of me to say, you know what, I know I'm tired, I know I just came back from work, I know I have to cook, I know I have to be a mother and I know I have to create content because it's something that I love doing, but I need to have the discipline to go to the gym. No matter how busy my life is, I want to incorporate gym into my routine, and it's something that I want to do for myself. And most importantly, I've realized that my daughter is growing up. She is 5 years old. She's turning 6 this year. And I feel like she'll definitely, these are the years where she'll definitely remember a lot of things when she grows up. So I want to make decisions that will make her also proud of me, because she's so excited because she goes to the gym with me. She is so excited about the gym as well, and that really makes me happy. And talking about motherhood, I'm going to dive into my 9-to-5 motherhood and my dreams. You know, I just realized that I want to live my life while I am working on my dream life, you know, if that makes sense. I have to go to work. When I come back from work, I come home and I cook, and I have to be a mom, and I still want to create content, and I still want to go to the gym. Honestly, I am tired. I am tired most of the time. Like, I'm genuinely tired, but I have to keep going. And then the other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is definitely finances. I am so like, I don't like talking about finances because it's one of the reasons why I am trying to really, really, really make sure that I fix my life and I make a lot of changes. My parents used to do everything for me, so I just had this mindset of everything will work out, but I didn't have a plan for myself financially to say, okay, this is what you need to do in order to get to this point. Yes, I've always been an independent woman. Me wanting to work, even though I knew like I was well off and my parents could take care of me, I always wanted to work, yes, but I wanted to work to be able to take myself on vacations and buy myself clothes and just like girly girl things. Like I was just in a pink world and bubbly and not thinking so much about responsibility. I always thought a man would do that for me. A man would take care of things financially and I'll take care of everything else. I don't know where this thing came from of me thinking a man will just have to take care of me financially. Like I've just always had this thing of no, like a man will take care of me financially. I don't know, but we are getting rid of that this year. I honestly just want to be more intentional when it comes to money. I am planning, I am just working things out. My car has been in repairs for, it's gonna be almost a year now, and I've just been I haven't been prioritizing it, and that it's just an example of how like it's just so bad. It's so bad. But this year definitely that's what we're working on. We are working on getting my car back. Probably before June my car will be back. Definitely it will be. So I'm sorting out things like that. At least the other stuff, the shampoo for Moana had to school. I am saving up for that and making sure that when she goes to school, she's sorted. I don't want to be stressing out about school fees and uniform and school outings and stuff like that. I don't want to stress about things like that. So that one, I'm really I've got that on track. And just me using money in general, it's something that I'm working on. And like I don't have an excuse because I'm living at home. I'm not paying rent, I'm not paying electricity and water. Like I don't have that much responsibility. It's literally just buying food in the house, paying for the internet, and making sure my daughter and I are good. Like literally my mom is just like, she's taking care of me, and I feel like this is my time to make sure that I use my finances correctly, because I eventually want to move out of the house, and I'm giving myself this year to work on my finances just to see if I can be disciplined enough to be on my own and to maintain my lifestyle. So we will see how that goes. So yeah, financially that's where we are, girl. The last thing I wanted to talk about today is like my emotional state, where I am emotionally. Honestly, I am an emotional wreck. Oh my gosh, I'm just so emotional, you guys. Like I'm so emotional. I cry almost all the time. I think I'm doing pretty well because I have so many exciting things that I'm working on, that I feel so proud of myself. I feel so good. I feel like I'm becoming this grown, lady, and I'm just loving myself. And there are certain things that I still need to work on when it comes to my emotions, because emotionally I can just be all over the place, whereby I want to be very strong. I want to be very structured. Like I want to be very disciplined and like be like, okay, Vanessa, you are not doing this, you are not allowing this. not allowing certain things, not for anyone but for myself. And I want to hold myself really high. It's how I've always been. So I feel like I was slacking a little bit, so I want to get it together. So emotionally it just makes me sad that I was allowing myself to be that type of person, but it's okay. We are human, we make mistakes, and I'm just glad that I'm working on it. So yeah, so we are 31, we are single, we are a mom of a 5-year-old, we are going to the gym, we are working in a corporate, we are living at home, we are working on getting our car back. So kuningi, but like it's honestly not that bad. It could be worse. It could be so worse. And also another thing that I'm really proud of myself is the drinking. My drinking has reduced so much, guys. Like I'm very intentional about it because I used to drink every chance I get. So now I'm very cautious of how many times I drink, how much I drink, and I'm trying not to drink a lot of ciders anymore. I'm trying to drink more wine, and I'm trying not to drink for the sake of drinking, you know. I just want to enjoy my life without getting drunk. I want to genuinely just enjoy life sober. Like it's just something that I just woke up and decided, okay, this is what I want for myself, and I did that. So yes guys, that is all for today. I just wanted to do a little life update, a little check-in, nothing too deep, just to let you guys know where I am currently and how I'm feeling, so that moving forward we are all on the same page. Like I'm starting over, not because I failed, but because I'm evolving. But if you're also in your rebuilding era, I see you. We are rebuilding together. We are not behind, we are becoming. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.